How to allow message requests for everyone on Instagram. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily turn on message requests from everyone on your Instagram account. First of all, open up the and make sure that you are logged into your account. The next step is to actually head over to your profile section where you have all of your settings controlled. And once you get to your profile, just simply find the hamburger menu at the top right corner. Once you land on your settings and activity page, scroll down a bit until you find this option, how others can interact with you. And on here, you will find message and story replies. Tap on it. And then under how people can reach you, you have message requests. Just tap on it. And on who can send you message request, you can receive requests from your Instagram followers and others on Instagram. So you can just go ahead and tap on it and then tap on message request and change it from don't receive. You can do the same for others on Instagram. And now you can receive message requests from everyone on or off Instagram. And that's how you do it. If this tutorial was helpful to you guys, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.